extension. Only scan file the specific extension, and all these settings you can configure. So let us go back. This is the internet view. There's no advanced setting here, of course. So let's go to the firewall setting. So for the firewall configuration, you have two different settings. One is you can allow configuration the firewall by client, that's mean by the end users on their workstation, or apply the firewall rule setting centralized. So here you can see you enable the firewall and can see there's a public network and custom network. If the PC itself is always inside the office, okay, so we will select the network. If the laptop or PC itself always move around in a public location, we just need to select to public network. So here we have program, firewall for program. Okay, this is the advanced setting firewall program. You can add more rules. Intrusion, we have detection of IDS, enable the endpoint to detect operating system, hacking, port use, IP address, DOS attack, and so on and so forth. Also, we have an internet detector to tag viruses that designed to propagate and infect computer through network. Let's go to the firewall configuration for system. Here you can add in more firewall rules. This is more advanced for the firewall configuration. So we're going to confirm the setting change. So as you see over here, for the system firewall rules, you can add in more rules for the system itself. Allow, deny, direction, inbound, outbound, each what zone, okay, based on different protocols, local ports. Okay, you can also create your own custom port by selecting custom, and of course mode port, and it can apply to individual PC, a range of IP, or a single IP address. Of course, you can also put in MAC address for the system apply to, which works. So I just set the thing based on the default configuration. So as you can see, there's a new profile. Okay, this is the profile now we created. Now we're going to create groups, and the group will tie to this particular profile. So we are going to create a new group by clicking create group. So I'm going to create a new group, ABC, and you can select the expiry date for the group. Okay, example, and also the maximum number of installation for the group, example 10 PC. So let us create group. So the group is being created, okay, and the maximum number of installation is 10 at the expiry date. Of course, if you want to change the config profile, okay, just go back into the group and select the profile tab. As you can see, this is just now the profile that I created. So we're going to bind back this group with this profile and save it. Now you can see from default profile, it changed to the configuration profile that I just now created. Profile, okay. So as the installation packet, you can select different installation packet over, like just now the group that I created, ABC, digital, laptop, and servers. So when you change each group, you can see that over here it will be changed also from digital to laptop or to ABC. The agent is belong to either ABC group, either will be digital, either will be laptop. So when the time you install agent, automatically the PC will bring back to its own group. Like example ABC, laptop, or digital, just I show you. So let me show you about our quarantine. This is our quarantine. So currently there's nothing in our quarantine. So for the last 24 hours, there's nothing quarantine in the quarantine zone. So let us just choose a different date by selecting last week, press fine. So last week we have two items that's quarantine, hack tools from laptop 3 and 5. So this is how you find the previous quarantine item. For this to be excluded next time, that the endpoint protection will not recognize it as a quarantine, just kindly select and press restore. Oops, yes, and it will be removed from quarantine. And let's go back to the exclusion tab. you'll be able to see just now the item that I installed the quarantine is in the exclusion list. So if you want to consider it as dangerous, just click it again and press on consider dangerous button. So it will be recognized as endpoint protection again. So now let's look at the report. In Panda Cloud Office Protection, you can generate graphical report by simply select type of the report, example executive, status and detection, and of course period of time. Okay, you can select different period of time, example 24, 7 days, and also last month. So let us just use detection, okay, based on 24 hours and include summary graph and details, see whether what we have in the last 24 hours. Click on generate report and report will generate. So for the last 24 hours, this is report. Okay, you can see that there's 6 detection for all the group over here, and there's 4 items has been disinfected, and 1 is a firewall detection. The other one is not being shown over here, is a spyware, or the other one is before the last 24 hours. So as you can see, there's 6. Why one of it is not recognized is because it is a spyware and it has blocked over here. So the one is spyware that is listed is over here, and you can select and export the current report to XML file with report data, CSV, GIF, PDF, Web Archive, Excel. So let us export to the PDF and show you the report. A window will prompt up to ask you to save the report. Click OK, and I'm saving the report on my desktop. So let me minimize the web browser and open the report and let you take a look. So this is the report that just now I generated and export to a PDF format. Okay, it's very simple and easy. You do not need to do a report by your own. Panda Cloud Office Protection has prepared everything for you. So this is all I have for you guys. Thank you for watching.